Hello everybody, so to start off this tutorial, we are using the app Ibis Paint, of course, and I'm using the brush Oil Hair, and since I do not have the full version of Ibis Paint, it is one of the brushes that you do have to watch a video for. So if you're going on a car ride and you want to outline in the car, I don't really suggest it, but make sure you play the video before you leave if you have internet. And probably nobody is wondering, but if anybody's wondering about why now that it's all a square, is that I figured out how to screen record with my iPad by connecting it to the Mac of which I'm currently editing on. So yeah, and I mean, I don't mind using my phone, it's just that it's a lot harder when I use my phone, and I do majority of my outlines on my iPad, so yeah, it's just conveniency all around. And on Instagram, I did a poll on whether you guys like me talking in my tutorials or not, and majority of you said yes, so actually it was 100%, so you guys are just gonna have to deal with me for now. And I'm sorry I cannot make this tutorial any shorter, because if I make it any faster, you guys are gonna say it's going too fast. And yeah, but this, I don't know, this has been sitting in iMovie for like 2-3 weeks, so everything is kind of blurry to me now. I've recorded this voiceover about like 7 times. I'm kind of over it at this point, and this is probably going to be my final one. But you guys have been requesting non-stop for a hair tutorial. So this is not the way I usually do hair, because you know, I don't want to give away all of my secrets, but this is the way I see some outliners do hair, or like a little inspo from that. It's the most simplest style of hair. There's a lot way that are a lot more simpler, but they do not work for every picture. I'm just saying. So this one is the one that's most versatile, and yeah. I thought I would pop back in for absolutely no reason. I don't even know if you guys even watch my videos this long, but I'm just saying it is very aggravating when some of you guys tell me that you've watched my tutorials and you're still confused. I wonder why. You probably didn't watch it the whole way through, and you asked me a question that was clearly in the video, but no, you did not watch it all the way through. Anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna stop ranting about this now. But hopefully after this video, I'm going to start editing my freshman orientation vlog type of thing. And basically, it's gonna be, I can't really vlog at the orientation because A, they're not gonna allow us to use our phones, and B, locals. But it was more like a get ready with me, but majority of the get ready with me was me trying to figure out my hair because it was all over the place. But yeah, you guys can see that tutorial is going to be over very, very soon. And I'm also sorry that I always, usually when I do the hair, I do it and I zoom out to make sure that it looks okay from far away. And I don't think I'm the only person that does it, but I don't know, I might just be, because I cannot keep it all in one place. And yeah. Okay, so we are nearing the end of the tutorial. At the end of this clip, you guys will see the final result, but not the full final result because I did not like the way the face turned out. But if you do want to see, you can go on my Instagram at Lemons Outlines. But I'm just telling you, the face on this was horrendous, so I just removed that layer. But here, you know, in like in a little bit of seconds, you guys will see the final result. And yeah, I'm pretty proud of the hair and the way the background turned out, to be honest. And here you go, here's the final result. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye!